Hello guys, welcome back again. In today's tutorial, I would like to show to you how to add your video on a text. First, you need to open your VN editor and then make a new project and then click stock up here and add a white background. And don't forget to adjust the length of the the length of the background. For example, I like to use 5 seconds. And after that, you need to add a text by clicking this symbol up here. And for example, I would like to type duck. And after that, you need to change the color of the text onto green color like this, and adjust the size of the text like this, and then done. After you're done typing the word, and you need to save this design. Wait for a moment. And after finish saving, click done and back to your VN editor again and make a new project. And after that, add the video that you want to add on the text. Click next, and after that, here you need to click this symbol, click it and add a video or photo, and try to find the design that you already make before. And now you need to swipe left the toolbar down here and fill the design onto the screen. Now it's the important part. You need to swipe left again the toolbar and click chroma tools here, click it, and you need to place the chroma onto your text like this. And after that, click finish. And now you need to adjust the length of the time of your text. For example, I would like to use it maybe just 3 seconds. Okay, after finish, now we can see the results. And that's the way how to add your video onto a text by using VN editor. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe.